Now, what's the value of training for product managers? In short, the answer is consistency. Product managers come into a company with wildly varying levels of experience. They've attended different schools, watched different videos, and read different books. Each has learned different tools and methods. And in key skills, many product management teams are falling short. In a survey, product growth leaders found significant gaps between importance and skills in critical areas of fundamentals, business and strategy, technical, and soft skills. Make a list of activities expected of your product team, identify the gaps between the importance of each activity and your team's performance, then set up a professional development plan to close the gaps. Both employees and employers value skills training because it helps teams do more and do it better. Survey data reveals that process is the company's most significant challenge for managing products in 47% of organizations. It seems most organizations budget for methodology training for development and sales professionals. Unfortunately, fewer do for product and marketing professionals. Consider the impact, though, of alignment of strategy. With a clear definition of roles and responsibilities and a common playbook of standard tools and methods. With a playbook, onboarding gets new product managers up to speed and more productive quickly. And existing employees know what they're supposed to do and how to do it. A common rule is to allocate 3% of an employee's salary for training and professional development. That translates to about $3,600 for an annual training allocation for product managers making $120,000 a year. While it'd be nice to say training results in instant revenue increases or increased customer satisfaction, product is a team effort. That's the most significant challenge for measuring the success of product management. In order to win, you need alignment across the team. Product management finds problems in the market and identifies friction for buyers and users of your product. Development and marketing teams design solutions to those problems, and if they do that correctly, sales teams can sell what you've designed to people who want to buy. With clarity of process among all product teams, business deliverables will be consistent from one product manager to another. Technical deliverables and planning methods will be consistent. No chaos, no confusion. Suppose your team members could reduce their wasted time by 1 hour per week due to a transformation program. Assuming product managers are making $120,000 annually, that translates to 50 hours of additional productivity in a year, an ROI of $3,000 per employee. A program for a team of 10 then generates $30,000 in increased productivity each year. And now imagine your team members can save 2 or more hours due to clarity of process and clear roles. A more critical aspect is the multiplier effect. One product manager working with a team of 7 to 9 developers. One of the most common failure scenarios for development teams is waiting for work from the product manager or product owner. 1 hour of lost productivity per developer on a team of 10 translates to a productivity cost of $30,000 a year. And according to research, salespeople spend 31% of their time searching for or creating sales content. That's 12 hours a week. Consider the impact on the productivity of your salespeople with market-focused product managers and product marketing managers. Clear positioning on the value of products. Clarity on markets and buyers results in reduced time wasted on unqualified buyers. Sales tools that resonate with buyers. And products that people want to buy. If you could reduce the time wasted for each salesperson, how would that impact your top-line revenue? The more critical the metric, the harder it is to quantify. What is the cost of sloppy work or wasted time? What's the cost when salespeople build their own presentations and sales tools? Beyond their time, there's concern about branding and staying on message and professionalism or lack thereof. Surely you've seen sales presentations not created by a marketing team. Some were okay, some were terrible, few were brilliant. And shouldn't your salespeople spend their time selling and not creating marketing materials? And when product management empowers marketing teams with personas and their problems, what a difference. Instead of technobabble and featureitis, great marketing tools speak to the buyer in their voice about their issues, with clear positioning that differentiates from competitive offerings. And here's the big one. What if you're simply building the wrong product? A large financial institution's VP of Product Management said they had spent the last few years adopting Agile and DevOps. He said, "We now know how to build the product right, and we've come to realize that we're building the wrong products." Adopting product management is their newest challenge. One team with $1 million in salaries built the wrong thing. That's $1 million gone. Product management disproportionately impacts the business's success with touch points in every part of the organization. Product managers ensure that we're building something customers want to buy and that internal teams have the information they need to be effective. If we can increase the effectiveness of product management, we increase the effectiveness of those who rely on us. After all, a rising tide lifts all boats. In the end, to succeed, products must solve problems that are vital to the buyer or they won't buy it, valuable to the user or else they won't use it, and viable for your business or you can't continue to offer it profitably. For more, read our book on why traditional training fails, how to improve your product management training results.